guys, happy Wednesday. I don't think I'll be able to keep these glasses on because there's quite a glare. Let's just make sure. The weirdest thing just happened. You know, technical difficulties are not always going to be the best. Hey Jamie, let me take these off so you guys. Oh. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Hey Tori. How is everyone tonight? We just got off our amazing mastermind and gave those girls a swift kick in the behind to get them revved up for the fall. So being pumped up from that webinar, have to come over here and give you guys some stuff too. So tell me, you guys, who is applying, before we get to tonight's topic, who is applying the Power Hour in their business? If you have not watched our Power Hour broadcast, definitely go check that out because I am hearing, give me some ones, give me some hearts, give me some fire. We're not on the mastermind anymore, so you guys can give me some emojis, but who is applying the Power Hour? Yay, Tori. I have to watch some of you guys' comments over here. Hey, from the UK. Yeah, you guys, tell me where you're watching. The Power Hour is gold, huh? And I have to apologize, you guys, because I've almost done the PDF, but I had a doctor's appointment today, and it was in Miami, so it took way longer than what I thought. And then we had our mastermind, and of course, I'll work through the night. But as I turned on my Diva ring light tonight, all of the power went out in my office. And here's what did you do for your light? It's dimmer. This is what story I'm going to tell you. I turned it on and then everything died in my office. And so we banged on the wall and everything came back on. Talk about not safe, right? I think we need an electrician in here because Jilleysue has a lot plugged in this office. 2 computers, lights, course area back there, the whole... it's crazy. There's probably about 45 different things plugged in here. So tonight, you guys, I'm ready for some of you all to attack me because I'm going to talk about why you guys should stop saying your company name on social media. What? But Jilleysue, if we stop saying our company name, how are we going to sell anything? How are we going to recruit? How are we going to grow our team? How? I'm going to tell you. So, hey guys, thanks for hopping in. I can't see you guys' comments over here, so I'm going to look back and forth. Hey Valerie, thanks for joining. Hey Dina. For those of you that don't know me, I am Jilleysue, half of the Brand Boss Girls. Kimberly Polita is the other amazing half. You saw her last night telling you about our Camera Confidence Bootcamp that is starting Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for $19.99. If you were scared to press the live button, if you want to know what equipment we're using, if you want to know how we got used to pressing live, if you want to know our little hacks, how to make yourself have a cute little backdrop or a cute little area, if you want to get over your fear, then this is the course for you. Go to brandbossgirls.com, you guys. Along with the confidence course, we're giving our PDF Facebook Live event outline for free. A condensed version. We'll have a longer version soon with all of the details in it, but this is a condensed version that we're going to give you guys for free. So some of you might not be, and I forgot what I was just going to say. I've lost when I'm live all day long. Like, it's crazy that I lose my train of thought. See, you don't have to be perfect to do this. You just have to get on and tell people what you know and educate your audience and keep them coming back. Will it be something we can replay? Yes. If you sign up for the bootcamp and you can't make the live bootcamp hours, then you'll be able to go back and watch the replay for sure. We would not just take it from you. If you purchase it, it will be yours to keep forever and ever and ever. And then, do you guys see back there? There's something else coming, but there's our area for the personal branding course we are working on for September. If you guys need to be personally branded, if you want to stand out online, offline, and anywhere in between, then this is going to be the course for you. So that's coming up. Okay, so I know some of you 68 of you on here right now. I'd love if we can always push it to 100, but this topic might scare you guys. This topic, I bet some of you are like, no, she's wrong. Nope, she is absolutely wrong. You have to plaster your company name all over the place, online, everywhere. You have to put it in your employment. You have to put it in every post. You have to say you're so happy to be your own boss because of blank, blank, blank company, and this company's the best, and this company that, and this company that. Well, guess what you're doing when you do that? You are making people that are watching you go, ugh, she's with one of those companies. I'm out of here. And you're probably causing people to not join or not buy from you 10 times faster than they would if you built up some curiosity, you guys. Here's the thing. The key to attraction marketing is not only attraction marketing, it is curiosity marketing and then prospecting. And some of you might hate the word prospecting, but truth of the matter is every conversation you're having in the place inside your brain, you should always be thinking about, would this person make a great customer, or would they be someone that wants to join my team? So this could be completely out of the box for a lot of you. And by the way, if you're watching the replay, we go back to the comments, so make sure you type replay in here. And if this is something new and crazy that you think, whoa, my team needs to hear this, just in case she's onto something. Oh, I am onto something, you guys, because we never post our company name in any of our posts. And here's why. We want people to connect with us. We want people to know that when they join our team, we're going to share with them everything we know about personal branding and business and social media. And we want them to like our personality and want to be someone that they want to work with. And you guys, a lot of you are leading with your product and leading with your company. And that's the exact opposite of what you need to do first. Because if they don't like you, if they don't like 91, you guys are rocking. Look at this. This is fire. This is a huge deal. This is completely will blow a lot of your minds, because you can't possibly imagine, if I don't plaster my company name everywhere, no one will know what I'm doing. Oh, they know. You guys, we are nosy by nature. And Kimberly, look, tonight she's tried to message 3 people about their product and people don't even respond. But you don't have to plaster your company name everywhere. You need to post with the intent of educating your audience, sharing with them what you do, sharing with them how you can train them and help them, and make them feel a part of a community. Guys, women want to be a part of a community. They want to be a part of something amazing, and it doesn't really matter. Now, it does matter what they're sharing with everyone. They have to love it, but they have to love you first. And so if you are just pushing marketing flyers and saying, my company's the best, and XYZ company sends me on trips, and XYZ company gets me a car, and XYZ company sends me here, they're like, enough with XYZ company. You know, for 95% of your posts, you should never mention the company name anywhere. You can put it in your employment section, and when people are 93, you guys are getting you are sharing this stuff because you know I love the number 100. I love the number 100. 100, 99. I'm going to get super. I think I need to, every time, Kimberly, what do you think about this? Every time one of our lives gets to 100 people, I'm going to I'm going to draw a name for a 20-minute coaching Zoom with somebody. I think that that's what we need to do. 103. Maybe this will be our first one. Every time we reach 100, some of you on here in the chat commenting and sharing and posting emojis, we're going to draw one of your names for a 20-minute Zoom or coaching call or something. Look, I didn't even, I just get too excited. 20 minutes something. We haven't got all the details yet, but I think it would be amazing because you guys are on here and you want the information, and a 20-minute something, maybe a Marco Polo or a chat or a Zoom where you guys ask us your burning question about your business. I think that would be fair. What do you think, KP? So tonight, tomorrow, we'll draw someone, and maybe we do a Marco Polo or something. Yep, every night. I think that's what we need to do. I think we do, because you guys are amazing. So back to the topic at hand, as I just get too damn excited. Yeah, right? I think we need to do it, because 100 is the first 3 numbers of a million. 100 is the first 3 numbers of, it's just a good number. It's 100. 100 is the number of $1. We like money. And if we start getting to 200 and 300, watch out. I don't know, just came to me. I got too excited. That's 2 nights in a row. You guys have been sharing and hanging out. So, Julie, thanks for coming on. So listen, I want you guys to try this. I want you to really focus on sharing what you love. If you guys watch my Instagram stories, Kimberly's Instagram stories, I lead with things that I love. I lead with things that I'm doing. I want people to connect with me because I'm into nutrition and beauty and fashion and my dogs and working out, like all of the things that I want people to connect with me on. And I have almost 8,000 people on Instagram. So what a great way to connect with people. Some of you, your company highlights on your Instagram, I've looked at some of your accounts, it's every single product on your highlights or every single event or every single thing about your company. No one loves your business as much as you. So you've got to stop leading with the business. People will know what you sell. People will know what you do. And what you need to do is lead with you first. Lead with your personality, lead with what you're interested in, lead with what you love, and then people are going to connect with you. And then when they ask you, hey, what do? You can start saying, hey, I have an awesome fitness shake business, or I sell memories in a locket, or I have a home fragrance business. Hey, Lisa, that's when you can connect. But you guys are just shoving your products, shoving the fact. I can go through some people's personal pages and they're like, I can't believe I get to stay home because of XYZ. I just love that XYZ's catalog just came out. I can't believe that I'm going to XYZ's convention. I can't believe that XYZ box just came to the house. I can't believe that we just have an XYZ promotion. Over. If I was going to buy from you guys, I would unfollow because I didn't join your company. Someone said to me the other day, wish I would have reached out to you. And I said, guess what? Even if you did, I probably wouldn't have signed up for the product. I probably wouldn't have ordered it because I'm more of a lurker. I more like look around to see how you're using the product, if it's effective. Like I'm going to look on your stuff. So if I really see a post that's engaging that I want to engage in, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to start poking around on your pages. So here's a big tip of the night, you guys. Why are all your Instagram pages and your personal pages on private? How are you going to make new connections with private personal pages? You know what Kimberly and I do? We leave all of our business posts and everything about what we do on public, and then family pictures, baby pictures, private pictures, we only put out to our friends only. So you really need to build curiosity. When you post about your company, when you post about your products, make it so they don't really know what it is. And they're going to private message you and they're going to ask you like, hey, you went on another trip? Like, what are you doing now? You're selling another product? Where you go? Like, what is that? Keep people wondering, because that's when they're going to private message you and they're going to have those more, what's the word I'm looking for? Those more private conversations where you guys can really dive in and get to know the person. And you're not just shoving the product in the faces. The days of pushing your product through private message and just like, hey, I just started with a new company. It's ground floor. Like, no one gives a hot butt if it's ground floor, y'all. No one cares. Those of you that care about the words ground floor are chasing the money instead of what you're passionate about. And that dies out. So here's something to think about. Tupperware and Avon. You can start tomorrow in both of those companies. And if you love Tupperware and Avon, you are going to sell the poop out of it because you're passionate about it. And they've been around for how many years? Look how good Mary Kay's doing. I mean, it doesn't matter when companies start. If you join Origami Owl tomorrow and you love freaking jewelry and you are rocking jewelry and you are rocking memories and it's your thing, you're going to share it with everybody. And Kimberly's right. Ground floor is hard. Guess what? Their infrastructure isn't together. Management usually isn't together. They go through changes. That's hard for a new consultant to try to figure all that out and be able to deal with adversity. One of the things that a lot of you struggle a lot with is when there's bumps in the road. And when there's bumps in the road, you have a hard time talking to customers and team members. You don't really know how to do with that. So in-depth companies that have been around, that have some longevity, are where you need to be. The key piece that you guys are missing is the passion and the excitement and sharing it with people. This is a numbers game. You need to get eyeballs on your business. And if you're just hoping to throw something up online and hope that people are going to come wondering, wandering in and just buying all your stuff. It doesn't work that way, y'all. And so I'm here to tell you, try something new. Do attraction marketing through things about you, not what you sell. This is social media, not throw everything at the wall that you sell and hope that somebody buys it. You do not need to have the mentality that people won't know what you sell. Don't cold message people. Hey, I haven't talked to you 85 years, but have you heard of XYZ company? Doesn't work. Stop it. Stop doing it. Here's Jilleysue keeping it real. Here's another thing. You don't need to post your company name in every single post. If you are leading with value and hopping on your business pages or hopping on your VIP groups or hopping on your personal pages and sharing your life and sharing what you're interested in, sharing some fun like tidbits or information or opinion stuff, people are going to keep coming back. People are going to wonder what you're doing. People are going to love how you portray yourself online. But the fastest, quickest way to get people not to follow you is to post the company name. Try something new. Try something new. If you're going to post something about your business, leave the company name off. Try it a few times, and you're going to see that people are more apt to engage. And if you don't believe me, here's a good test. Go look at the last 20 posts on your business page or your personal page where you mention the company name or something for sale, something markety, something spammy, and see how many people engage. I have a hard time coming up with content and value for lives and posts. Stuff you're into, Jamie. Things you're interested in, family stuff, hobbies, fitness, wellness, quotes, entertainment, jokes, whatever you're into. You guys, I mean, you see, if you're friends with me on Facebook, you see that I post about my dogs. I post motivational stuff. I'm super into inspiring women to believe that they can be better. So I'm super all about that girl boss, kick in the pants hustle. I'm into unicorns. I'm into farmhouse stuff. I'm into Fixer Upper and HGTV. Post about that stuff. I got a tip the other day in training. Like, stop worrying about content and start documenting your life. I love that. That's an easy way to come up with what to post, you guys. Stop worrying about creating stuff and just document your life. When I train in the mastermind with my people, I train them about stuff that I'm struggling through because most of the time it's exactly what they're struggling through. So I don't create content. I just get inspired by things that other people are dealing with or what can happen. So no more business name. I want you guys to try it for a week, 2 weeks, leave out the company name, and not necessarily in your profile. You guys, we have it in our employment section, or, you know, people have it on their business page. But what I'm saying is every post doesn't need to be, hey y'all, I just got done traveling with XYZ. Hey, I'm so glad I get to stay home because of XYZ. Hey, a box just came from XYZ. Hey, my kids are loving the new XYZ products. Leave the company name off, build curiosity, provide good value and content, and get people to want to message you to find out what you're doing. People are nosy by nature. They want to have an idea of what you're working on and why things are the way they are. So build some curiosity and try that. Let me know how it goes. If you haven't watched our Power Hour video, make sure you guys go check that. And I'm going to figure out with Kimberly what we can do every night if we can get this live chat to over 100 people. I think that deserves some sort of coaching in some way. Don't you guys think? So make sure you type replay in the comments. If you love this idea, please, please, please share it out with your teams, because I think this could change the network marketing universe. Don't you think? If we stopped push marketing and started making friends, oh yeah, it would be amazing. So we love you guys. We hope to see you in the Camera Confidence Bootcamp. Go sign up for it on Brand Boss Girls. $19.99, you guys. Get that confidence and be able to press live. We're going to throw a bunch of stuff at you. If you can't make the live, you can watch the recording. And so we love you, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Night, everyone.